To get PathDriver reports, the first thing you need to do is use the link I provided in the email. The link has changed from last year. And make sure you pick Leesville Road Middle from the drop-down menu. Your username is your first name, last name, no spaces or capitals, and your last name and your password is your last name. Okay, once you're there, you can go ahead and log in. We want to look at our reports. So we're going to click on the Classes tab, and then over here on the left, you want to make sure that you select the PathDriver that you're interested in. For this video, I'm just going to use math. Okay, so now I've got the different classes. We tested 6th grade as a whole class, 7th grade, and 8th grade as a whole class. So now I want to look at the different reports. So I'm going to click on the Reports tab in the top right. So what I'm seeing first is all grades. So this would be for our entire school. Now, not everybody is tested yet. That's why I haven't run paper reports for you guys. But if you want to get in and look, this is how you can do it. So now maybe I'm a 6th grade teacher, so I just want to look at 6th grade. So this is in math, and I can see the number of students who have been tested. The total number of students, there's a lot of students that are in our database that shouldn't be, and that's kind of what I'm working through right now. More importantly, we can see where our students fall as far as their risk rate. So that gives me a kind of big idea of where 6th grade is from this first screening. Now, if I go on the left, I can go to screening details. And we're going to do it fall. We're going to go by class, and we're just going to go by 6th grade. Okay, so this gives me a better idea of 6th grade. Okay, if I clicked on 6th grade, I now can see who are those students that are considered to be at risk. They're going to be our red students. So we can scroll through and see how they compare to the national percentile and how they compare to just the students who have been tested in the building as of right now in 6th grade. So that's what the class percentile is. At this point, you could click on an individual student, and again, that just gives that information there. I actually want to go to student on the left over here, and I want to go to the test summary. So now I can see for this particular student how they did in each different type of question. So for example, 4-digit whole numbers, doing computations with that. 12 correct, 8 incorrect. So within the 3 minutes, she completed 20 problems. 4 means she left the problem up for too long and didn't answer it. So she attempted 24 problems, which you can see is a higher number than in the other sections, and she got 50% of those right. Fractions with same denominators, it looks like there was only one question that she got on that. So it's just the first screening. It gives us an idea of where our students are. We can continue. This is going to the second section, which was 3 minutes on this. And then estimation. If you haven't seen the test before, they had to take a little balloon and drop it on the number line where they thought it would go. And the closer they get to the area, the more points they get for that. And they had to estimate proper and improper fractions and drop it on the number line. The students really struggled with that. It was something new for them to try. If you cannot get into the program, just let me know, or if you want some more details on how to run different types of reports, I can give that for you. Also, if you notice over here on the left, there is a resource section for the teacher, and the report tools might be something that you're interested in. There's some other things in here on how to better analyze the universal screening. If this is something that you want more information on, I do have some things in addition to this I'd be glad to give you. Just let me know.